Hi friends, my name is Akram and today I will show you how to perform a basic operation in Kafka. So first we need to download and install the Kafka in our system. So just type download Kafka and the first link is appear. Just click on it and just download the Kafka from just clicking on this. And for Windows users, uh, you can download according to your version system and architecture system. So after you download the Kafka, I am going to download folders. So here you can see I have downloaded the Kafka version and in TGSF format. After I extract this from, so you can see after the extracting this folder I get this Kafka folder. In this folder you can see the some configuration folders, libraries, configurations. We don't look into it. So just minimize the window and open a terminal. So I basically open a terminal for Kafka. First we should start uh, zookeeper server because it needs zookeeper first. So I have list down some basic commands. So just copy the command of zookeeper before start. Now we are at desktop location, so we should go to the download folder and Kafka folder. So here now we are inside the Kafka folder. Just paste the command that we copy from the notepad. Just enter. So here is the zookeeper start now. So in the next terminal now we start. So same, we go to the downloads Kafka and now we start the Kafka server, the second server we should start before doing anything. So now our Kafka server is started. Now here is the operations. So again we open a new terminal and go to the same folder, and now first we think uh, show the list of topics we are available in the Kafka. So just copy the command of listing topics, just paste it, enter. So here you can see the nothing is appear, so it's mean there is no topic created in the Kafka right now. So first we go to the create a basic topic on Kafka. So here is the command. So this is a basic command to create a topic on Kafka. So here you can give any name of topic that you want. So let's suppose I give to like student topic. So now it's created. So you can see by command of listing, just enter the list command. Here you can see the topic student has been created in our Kafka server. So now the next step is to produce some data on student topic and consume some data from student topic. So now I open a same terminal for consume. Same can go to Kafka folder. So I have some command to consume here you can just write the topic that you want to consume data. So this command will consume data from student topic whenever the data is published on student topic. Here you can see the data is shown below. So I just enter. So now this command is consume or listen data from student topic. Now I will go to produce some data on student topic. So student, here you can see the arrow is shown below. So it's ready to publish data on student topic. So let's suppose I give object to student in which id it should be JSON. It's not necessary, but in object it should be a JSON. So here you can say I create a basic student object which have ID and name. Just enter, and here you can see the data is consumed on the second terminal. So when the data is published on the topic student, the other service will consume the data whenever the data is published. So now produce and consume listing operation perform. Now I go to delete this topic. Let's see if it is wrong or something else. So just enter the topic name here, student. I want to delete this topic, so it means all the data in this topic has been removed. So here you can see there is deletion perform. So now I just check it is delete or not. Just check from enter the list command. So here you can see there is nothing appear. There is no topic like student, so it's meant the topic has been deleted successfully. So this is from my side. So thank you for watching and stay blessed.